My name is Nate Lammy, and I'm the Professional Development and Training Specialist here at Flat for Education. Our next video is going to be showing you how to take a composition and use it as a performance assessment. Performance assessment should be used in a way for you as a teacher to assess your students' ability to perform a piece of music you've written. So, unlike composition where you're asking them to write, unlike worksheets where you're asking them to identify, this is on their instrument or with their voice showing how to perform. So, in order to do a performance assessment, you must start with a piece of music that students are going to use. In this case, I've taken all the major scales that you might work on, and I've put them into a C instrument, so that way my student could just practice doing 2-octave scales in quarter notes and eighth notes. That might sound like this. And since I want them to be able to do this, I'm going to go to my assignments, new assignment, and performance. Down here at the bottom allows you to create a performance assessment. Here you can title it, so we'll do major scales, quarters, and eighths. Here in the description box, you can describe how you might use it. This will be on the splash page in the front. So this might be November 20th. You can select your subject. So let's call this a band warm-up, and we'll put it for 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. You can select where it will go. So in this case, if I wanted this to be part of my test collection, so stuff I use with my test classroom, I could put it there. But for now, I'm going to leave it blank. So I'm going to add my work score. That work score lives here. It is my all major scales. And when you put that there, this will be what your students read from. When I return to that assignment, I can add my student instructions here. So perform to the best of your ability. And I can select that I want video and audio, so that way students can turn on their videos to play as well. Here are some options for you if you want them to be able to have a metronome playing, if you want them to be able to have the backing track playing. In this case, there will not be one. And if you want them to change the speed. Once you've hit done, you can go into the assignment, switch over to student preview, and you can see what your students will see. So starting my assignment here, I can do start recording. I can turn on the smaller version of me, as you can see. And when I hit start recording, it gives me a count in. Ba 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 ba. And if I went through all of my scales, I could listen to them right here. Ba 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 ba. And now that I'm done with that, I can hit turn in, and it will appear in my assessments. Thank you. I hope you enjoy using performance assessments with your students.